guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me Rajashri and I am vlogging again after such a long time. So today is nothing special but kind of special. So you can see that I'm kind of dressed up and going somewhere. So where I'm going, I'll take you guys along with me, and I'm kind of in a rush right now, so I'll not talk much and just get going. So yeah, I'm going to wear my mask of course, but yeah, that's it. Very short and crisp intro. So that is it. Let's go. Audio Jungle. Hey guys, so right now let me show you where I am. So right now this is the scene here at my college. I'm currently sitting here at the lobby. So yes, I told you guys before going out I'm going somewhere, and I didn't tell you guys where I was exactly going. So I was actually getting ready for my college. Like that time I was kind of in a rush and I didn't tell where I was going. So here I am actually waiting for my friends to come. It's quite lonely in here because of course college is closed and because of all this COVID and all. So of course one of my friends is here. I am sure you guys. She's a bit busy doing her work and stuff. So that's that. I actually thought of vlogging today because number one reason, I had been not making videos for a long time, and I guess yeah, that this was my most important reason of taking my vlogging camera out and start vlogging. So I guess a sir is coming, so I most probably would stop vlogging right now. Okay, let's show you guys my friend. Say hi to my boy. So she is currently filling out her form. Like we have to do some documentation, submit, like all those stuff. So this is Shanti. I would actually show you guys when my other friends come around. Let's let's just wait and I'll vlog and show you guys my college and all that stuff. I am actually vlogging in a very low voice right now because I don't want to get the situation awkward. So that's that. Let's stop vlogging for now and I'll meet you guys later, okay? Hi guys, so I am halfway through my documentation process, but right now I'm standing in front of a new building of a college where we actually started our college years. So that is it. Now I'm currently going to show you my class of first year where all this started. So let's go. I'm super duper excited to show you guys my classroom. So that's it. Let's go. So this is basically a classroom, but very sad. This is right now closed. Yeah. Okay. Right now it's closed. I feel sad that it's closed. I can still give you a peek into the kind of class that we had. So this is actually a gallery. This is not exactly my classroom. This was the class of electrical, yeah, and I was in electronics. So my classroom was same. It's just it was like it was another class. You get it right. So that is it. This feels really very good to come in here.
পড়াশোনারও সত্যি কথা বলতে কি অনলাইনে পড়াশোনা সেভাবে হচ্ছে অনেকের কাছেই নেট নেই, ল্যাপটপ সবাই কাছে নেই, নেটওয়ার্ক কানেক্টিভিটি
তোমাদের অনেকদিন পরে দেখা গেল,
হ্যাঁ
6-7 মাস বাদে।
বাড়ির সব ভালো আছে?
হ্যাঁ
যাক চলো প্রোটেকশন নাও।
একদম
তোমার সব ফিস দিতে এসছো নাকি?
ওই কশন মানির জন্য।
কষান মানি, হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ
যাক
Falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be with us. We gonna play out the same. Ay, I love you.
These are my friends, okay? They are coming.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same.
এটা কি চুলের মধ্যে হেয়ার ব্যান্ড লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে। হাই গাইস,
হাই গাইস ভাই গাইস, জানি না এটা বাংলা ব্লগ, আমি বাঙালির ছেলে, ঠিক
এটা
আছে?
একটা বাংলা
আমি
vlog
বাংলায়
নয়।
কথা বলবো, যদি ক্লিপটা কেটেছিস, ঠিক আছে, তোকে আমি দেখে নেবো। কোনো মতে
একটু মাস্কটা খুলে মুখটা দেখা।
ইয়েস,
সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্স মেনটেন কর।
সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্স কি, আমি জানি তোর মাথায় এখানে এটা ঠেলে দিচ্ছে।
এ, না, না, না। এটা একটু আমাকে দিবি, এটা পাচ্ছিলাম না দোকানে। পুরো কোটোটা দিয়ে দে।
হাট। এটা আমি বোনে ছেড়ে ছেড়ে নিয়ে এসেছি।
আমি তোর থেকে নিয়ে নেবো এটা। তুই স্প্রেড করবি।
আচ্ছা, sanitize করছি। আও, বলিনি। টেস্ট করছি, সত্যি করোনা কাহারে কয়? ঠিক আছে।
70% লোক মাস্ক
আরে কালকে বেরিয়েছিলাম, ঠিক আছে, লোকজন গায়ের উপর চেপে যাচ্ছে। এটা এটা এই একসাথে নিয়ে হতো।
হিন্দি বাংলা সব মিশিয়ে বলবি তুই।
ইয়েস, লোকজন গায়ে চেপে যাচ্ছে, আমি বলছি করোনা চলছে, ঠিক আছে।
বলেছিল আমার মাসিরও হয়েছিল করোনা।
ও মাই গড।
করায়নি কিন্তু সিমটমস পুরো করোনা।
এমনি বলবি শান্তি?
মাসি জামশেদপুর।
আরে আমার
ও জামশেদপুরে, তাই বল, ভয় পেয়ে গেছিলাম।
আমার দুটো মাসি।
So this is a mechanical building where all the classes for mechanical students are held, and yeah, this place seems so beautiful right now. Plants are kind of big right now, but still this place looks very beautiful.
It's gonna play out the same. I love you better.
One thing I must say, our college is very, very beautiful, you know.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna
And this way goes to our library.
play out the same.
And that is the departments, you know, there are written there, that is written there. See, it looks so beautiful in here. That is block A, you can see, and though each and every floor is for a different department. Everything is okay today, like going on okay, but one thing that I'm actually missing is my friend Shreya. Like if she was here, we would have a reunion of ours, like me, Shayanti and Shreya. This is our library.
Settling in, settling down. Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we
I'm currently going to do my work and complete my work and meet you guys, okay? Plus it feels so hot wearing this mask because I'm not used to wearing mask and going out. I am going, like I came out of my house after 6 months. Can you believe it? So yeah, that's it guys. So we are done with so we are done with all our work, and I'm finally really so sunny today and wearing a mask and going from this building to that building, and we were out of practice first of all, that rushing and going to this building and that building for our labs and classes. So yeah, that's that. I'm relieved because all my work is done and I'm finally free. Yeah, so today has been a great day till now because number one thing that I'm vlogging after so many days, and I don't know yet that how this vlog would turn out to be, but I'm still excited that a new content is coming up, and yeah, that is it. So we are planning to take some pictures in here, and that's it. I will probably meet with Samrat and Ronak. They're my friends. You guys probably have seen them in previous clips, I guess. So yeah, we'll meet with them and then I'll go home. So that is it. দিয়ে দেবো আমি এটা। Hi boss.
Hi.
So hi guys, I'm all exhausted right now. All my work is done. I'm done meeting with my friends too, and I'm currently going to go home. And there is a parcel from Nika that's coming too. Like this is totally off the track that I told this, but anyhow, so I need to rush and receive that parcel. So I still have work to do, and that's it. I'll probably say bye to my college, and I may need to come to my college for some other stuff too. But for now, I don't know when I'll be coming back to college, so I'm going to say bye to my college with a very heavy heart. Here I made so many amazing and great memories, and I had such amazing, great, wonderful 4 years of my life here. Learned so many lessons, for not just academic lessons but life lessons in here too. So that is it. I am going to say goodbye to my college, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my vlog. I don't know if I'm going to end this vlog here, but that's it. I am done for the day, and I'm probably not going to vlog anymore because I'm very much exhausted right now. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoy my vlog, and yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do hit the like button too if you guys enjoy watching my video. And that's it for now. I'll meet you guys probably later. So yeah, bye bye for now.
আর পাচ্ছি না রোদে দাঁড়াতে।
সত্যি ক্যামেরাটা ফুল করে দিলাম তাও দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, মানে ইয়েটা ব্রাইটনেসটা।
দাঁড়া ভাই।
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown, a crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen, royally bound. Yeah, both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday.
Okay, so hi there. The update right now is it's 9:25 p.m. Sitting here with my laptop, and I have started editing this vlog that you guys are probably watching right now. So all the clips that you guys have watched till now, I have actually transferred all those clips onto my laptop, and I have started editing that vlog. Like, why not? I'm super excited for today's vlog. I mean, not today's, but this vlog, because number one reason is I have vlogged after such a long time that I am super excited to edit it and post it and get back on track. Plus, I am actually planning to be a bit more regular. Like I always say and plan to be regular, be it for my vlogs or blogs like my website. So yeah, and if you guys don't know already, I do have my own website and I write blogs there too. So do visit that. I'll actually share my website in description box below. So go check it out. I have been vlogging way before than YouTube and vlogging. Like vlogging happened way before than all of this, like YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, that's that. And now I am going to edit my vlog all that I can. So I am actually a bit tired today because it was like after 6 months that I went out and everything was out of practice. Like out of practice, be it vlogging or like going from this building to that building in my college. So it felt really good. Like everything that I did today, it made me very happy. Like there are some times in life that you feel tired to do all those works, but at the same time you feel happy that you are doing that. That happened to me today. So that is that. I'm going to edit my vlog. Also, let me show you one thing here. So this is the thing that I have been talking about. Like I actually told you guys earlier that I have received I'm going to receive a parcel from Nika. So that is it. So I was talking about this parcel earlier in my in earlier clips that I am going to receive a parcel for Nika, and I was in a rush that time. So this is that parcel, and I'm not going to open it up and show you guys what's inside, but that is only thing that you can watch right now, because a haul video is coming up very soon wherein I'll be showing you all my beauty and skincare and basically like makeup and all those stuffs haul. So be patient, I'll be sharing all those stuff with you guys, of course, but not today. And so that is it. Hey guys, so I realized right now that I had been vlogging the whole day and didn't even tell you guys what date is. Now you guys most probably would listen to the background and get some hints what day it is. Now actually it is the next day, or right now it's 4 a.m. exactly, not exactly morning, but I just woke up, and today is Mohalaya 17th of September 2020, and yesterday day when I started the vlog was 16th of September 2020, Wednesday. So that is that. My face is all swollen up because I woke up right now. So excuse my face. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like my video, then do hit the like button. Also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have, then a very big thank you to all of you. Then that's it. On this positive and lovely note, let's end our video here. Love you guys to the moon and back. I don't even have words right now because yeah, of course, I just woke up and my brain's not yet active, okay? So that's that. Then that's it. I would end my vlog here and meet you guys with another new and interesting vlog. So that's it. Bye bye. Take care, and a very happy and Shubha Mohala to all of you. Bye bye.